We're live at Philippine Startup Week 2024.
Yeah.
Next question, what keeps you motivated?
For me, what keeps me motivated, honestly, just working with my incredible team. It's been really fun, and at the same time, just being able to see the impact. Like it can seem a little abstract, pero when we get comments and messages from our customers, talaga being able to share how happy they are, how excited they are, um, it's exciting.
Yeah, I like those answers. But what keeps you motivated despite these challenges and what you want to do?
Uh, well, basically, it's just making the mission. I mean, our mission is actually to help SMEs. So, yun talaga yung at the end of the day, as long as we hear people na, oh, they have used sales and nakatulong sa business nila, na-scale nila yung business nila, grow nila yung business nila, sobrang okay yun. Kasi we have clients na with us for several years na, and then we see that their business really growing because of sales. Diba? So, we were there, nung maliit pa lang sila, and then nag-grow na nag-grow. So, those are very, ano talaga very inspiring. Mahirap siyang gawin, pero at the end of the day, yun ang mga motivation namin.
So si Zales ay kaantabay din sa growth ng mga businesses.
Yes, definitely. Kasi, of course, we want to help them grow. That's a goal, di ba? Kasi if they're not growing, it means stagnant, di ba? And syempre, who wants to be in a business na stagnant, di ba? Especially now, di ba? Pataas yung presyo, inflation, everything, di ba? So, everything, they have to keep growing.
The question, what keeps you motivated in
What
building the
keeps you
startup?
motivated? I think there's so much more to build. I would say na parang yung saying na malayo na pero malayo. So it just motivates us to keep growing. And syempre so many challenges, especially this year. So just keep going.
What keeps you motivated in building Flying Tigers?
I think for Flying Tiger specifically, I'm solving my own problem. I order things online. Granted, like I am from the US, so I'm used to Amazon and we have next day, same day delivery there. So I think that's what keeps me motivated because every time I go to buy something on Lazada or Shopee, I'm like, wait, it's gonna take how long to get here? A recent example
True.
was Halloween, right? So my
Yeah.
kids wanted to dress up, they wanted costumes. We looked at Lazada and I was like, wait, it's gonna arrive in November. That's not gonna work. And so I would say that what keeps me motivated is to change that, to enable Filipinos to be able to get the goods that they need by tomorrow or when they need it the most.
Yeah, actually, that's exactly my problem yesterday or 2 days ago. Because I needed a mic,
Here it
and,
is.
and then it takes. I mean, actually, a new mic.
Yeah.
I'm trying to have a new setup, but
Yeah.
it takes maybe around 3 days, 4 days. So I ended up with using this setup. So
Okay, so download our app right
Okay.
now. No, I'm just kidding.
yeah, no,
I
I'll
won't
do that.
market.
I'll
Yeah.
try it. I'll try it.
You're talking about the problem, right? And I think it's a problem that a lot of people face in the market, and that's what we want to solve. We want to make it easy. So if you're in Cebu or Davao and you need something urgently, you can get it tomorrow.
Yeah.
If you need to send something to Manila, maybe paperwork or say an application, you can get it there today or tomorrow.
Oh, that's why Flying Tiger. So you include also like air freight. I mean,
Everything we do is air, so that's what makes us fast, right? So we like to say we're fast, convenient tech. So
Oh.
fast because everything's air. Convenient
Oh.
because we come to your door. You don't have to go wait in line at a LBC store or some type of delivery service. We come to you. So it's
Mm.
basically like Grab or Lala Move, but different islands.
Oh, we really need this. We really, really need this. Thank you for building this. And what keeps you motivated in the startup journey?
My family.
Kailangan ba ng pera?
No. Yeah. Yeah, and I think we're doing something different here in Anitech.
Mm.
Not really different, but we want that technology to be present in agriculture, like our vision, bringing tech-enabled agriculture to the people. Like,
Oh, that's good.
hopefully, someday it will be really a reality.
Actually, ang ganda na, first time ko lang yung narinig, tech-enabled agriculture. Pero parang siyang straightforward and simple. Diba? I mean,
Yeah.
straightforward actually. Let's put tech and innovation to our farms, basically.
Yeah, kasi right now farming is very tricky. There's a lot of things to understand. And this is why usually average age of farmers is very high. So what we want to do is make it so that anyone can farm. Because with tech-enabled agriculture, you can see the data in your farm
it's like your plants talking to you. And this way, anyone can farm. You just see the data and then you make the adjustments based on data-driven recommendations.
I love that answer. What keeps you motivated in building the startup?
Keeps us motivated, of course. Number one, na-mention ko na yung team. Number two, yung Filipino buyers and sellers that really need the service. May term sa startup world dyan eh, the people who have their hair on fire. Yun yung mga gusto namin tulungan talaga eh.
Ayun.
That's what keeps us motivated.
Oh, so really solving the problem for the Filipino people.
Yes.
And, what keeps you motivated in this startup journey despite the challenges?
See, for me, like for the longest time, what has always kept me motivated as a developer, as a founder, is to just build something that people love and use. And that's why I'm building Stay Cave. Because I really believe that this is something a lot of people can enjoy, and that potential happiness just makes me happy.
For me, I think similar answers, but for me personally, I love the thrill, you know? There's always something exciting to look forward to. So I can also see the potentials of being in a better market and also, you know, money.
What keeps you motivated?
Bro, sorry masyado kong pinaplag yung pagiging software engineer, But as a coder, I really have to build. Isa sa mga tinututulan sa akin yan, actually, the investors, my partner, yung management, JC, stop coding for a while. Bira, maya mo sila sa coding. Benta muna natin, ganyan. So, the thing is that I really love to build. And sometimes, kapag yung CEO work, like say, umubos na hanggang 9:00 na ng gabi, hindi pa ako nagko-code, tas sunog na ako, I'm sad.
Oh, may ano ka
So-
ba baka may addiction ka na sa coding. Baka
Okay.
parang ano na talaga, hinahanap na ng katawan
Oh,
mo.
exactly, bro. So, alam mo yon, I really love building, I really love coding, and that's one that keeps me motivated na pag nakakarinig ako ng, let's say, suggestion from clients, nakakarinig ako ng feature request sa kanila, to be honest with you, gusto ko hatawin immediately. Like, gusto ko pangakuan in one day, tapos ko yan. Pero yung mahirap, hindi kaya.
Yeah, tsaka,
Anyway, those kind of stuff, no?
Yeah.
But it keeps me motivated na gusto ko mag-build na mag-build.
yeah.
Yeah.
Tsaka iba talaga, kasi when building the organization, like, CEO ka na eh. I mean, so ano ka na eh.
Oh,
Kumbaga, more of leadership na rin talaga. Tsaka,
Managerial.
yeah, managerial na rin.
yeah.
Ayun.